So, nakapag-decide ka na gusto mong matuto ng Python, matuto mag-program, katulad nito. Ngayon, tuturuan kita kung paano. Ngayon, sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. First, before tayo mag-start, kailangan natin mag-download ng IDE o mga software na gagamitin natin sa pagpiprint o sa pagpo-program ng Python. Firstly, I will introduce you to PyCharm. Just kindly type PyCharm, download PyCharm, and we can go to JetBrain, download PyCharm, or yung first link na makikita natin sa pag-search nito. Just press X to that, download XC Windows, and there it is. After natin ma-save ito, antayin lang natin na matapos to. While we are waiting na ma-download ang ating PyCharm executable, pwede naman tayo mag-proceed sa isa pa nating IDE na pwede natin magamit. And guess what? Yun nga ay ang Visual Studio. Visual Studio Code is one of the best IDE or software na pwede natin gamitin sa pagpo-program. Merong mga extensions and everything na pwede maging useful sa atin. Now, you can just download VS Code and kindly wait for it to be finished. Ayun na nga, natapos na natin ang pagda-download para kay Visual Studio. Just click the executable, press run, accept the terms and agreement. Pwede tayong mag-create ng desktop icon para mas mabilis nating ma-access ang Visual Studio. And press install. In my case, hindi ko na siya i-install. Download ko lang ang executable kasi I already have the Visual Studio Code. So I'll just press cancel it. And we can proceed in running the actual Visual Code. And here it is. At first, it will greet you with this. At some point, there is a certain manual to what should you do para makapag-proceed ka sa paggamit ng Visual Code. But first, we need to download an extension. Ano nga ba yung mga kailangan natin i-download na extension? Firstly, we need to download the Python extension itself. Just press Python and there it is. Lalabas na siya agad. But before we proceed nga pala sa paggamit ng Python sa ating mga computer units, we mainly need to use or we need to download the Python extension itself. Kasi hindi magra-run yung mga IDE natin just in case. So we go to python.org, the first link na magpa-pop up. After we go here, we download the latest version of Python. And there you have it. Mabilis lang naman siya. And there you have it. Natapos na natin i-download ang Python Manager na kinakailangan natin para makapag-proceed tayo sa pag-program. And there it is. Just click the executable, magpa-pop up dyan sa inyo na install Python install manager. Again, hindi ko na siya i-run or i-install kasi I already have the Python install manager sa aking unit. So I'll just press cancel to it. But sa inyong case, please download it. It is very necessary for your program for it to run. Now, pwede na tayo mag-proceed sa Visual Code. Again, we need to download an extension. Just type Python sa inyong left panel. Makikita nyo ang extensions here. And just type Python itself. Lalabas to. Install it. para makapag-support ang Visual Code or Visual Studio Code para maparan natin ang mga programs natin in Python. Now, let's proceed in programming. Paano ka nga ba magpo-program? Hindi mo nga alam kung paano mag-i-start. And here is the story begins. Just press Control and press N. Lalabas itong buong page na ito. It has nothing in it. It is untitled and that is it. Now, para mapagana natin ang ating Python, we just save it by Control S, okay? And we can just type main.py. I-overrun ko na lang ito kasi I already have my py extensions na pangalan ay main. So, i-overwrite na lang natin siya. Yes. And there you have it. Let's proceed sa basic programming by printing a word. Typing print, close open parenthesis, single quotation or double quotation will do. I love Python. Now, we press this sa left panel natin, ang run and debug. And there you have it. I love Python. Now, mag-proceed naman tayo sa pagda-download natin ng PyCharm. And here, tapos na nating ma-download ang PyCharm executable. Just press the executable, run, and it will help you install it. Just press next, next, and pwede na nating makita yung destination na kung saan natin siya gusto nating i-download. Just press next, just press next, and there it is. If you press install, automatically mag-run na ang PyCharm setup natin. In our case, hindi na po natin siya i-download kasi hindi na natin siya i-install kasi I already have my PyCharm setup. Okay? I'll just press cancel and we can run now the PyCharm itself. Here, gumagana na siya. In our scenario, different siya sa Visual Studio. Here, para makapag-proceed tayo sa pagpo-program, we need to press here sa project panel sa left side, press new, Python file, and dito na natin ilalagay yung Python name na gagamitin natin. So, we will use main ulit, pero in this time, maliit lang. Yes. Press enter. And since it is already existing, hindi siya tumatanggap. Hindi siya nag-overwrite. So, uulit tayo. And this time, lalagyan naman natin siya ng 1. Enter. And there you have it. Meron na tayong Python 1. Meron na tayong unang Python program. Again, proceed tayo sa basic. Print. Close open parenthesis. Double quotation or single quotation will do. And here is the crazy part. Sa Python, when you are using PyCharm, ang PyCharm na mismo ang mag-a-assist kung ano nga ba yung gusto mong i-print. It will try to predict what you wanted to type. So in this scenario, we will just print hello world. And na-predict na agad ni PyCharm kung ano ba yung gusto nating i-predict. So all we need to do is press tab and it will print na. And there you have it. So i-click lang natin to, as you can see here, and it will print na. And there you have it. That is the basic installation of two software na pwede natin gamitin sa pagpiprint or pagpo-program ng Python. Thank you for listening.